In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a Duolingo account step by step. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, you can create a Duolingo account either through the mobile app or by using a web browser on your phone or computer. If you're using a browser, head over to Duolingo. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a Get Started button on the screen. Instead of selecting that, look for the option that says I already have an account. Go ahead and click or tap there, even if you're creating a brand new account. After that opens, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the Sign Up option. Select that, and Duolingo will begin the account setup process. You'll now be asked to create your profile. Start by entering your age. After that, you can type in your name if you want to, although it's optional. Then enter your email address and create a password for your account. Once everything is filled out, click or tap on Create Account. If you prefer a faster sign-up method, you can also use your Facebook account instead. After your account is created, Duolingo will guide you through a few setup questions, so it can personalize your learning experience. For example, you can choose the language you want to learn. In this example, we'll select Spanish and continue. From here, you'll go through several prompts, asking things like how you heard about Duolingo, why you want to learn the language, and how much experience you already have. Continue selecting the answers that match your situation. Then keep moving forward through the setup screens. You may also be asked how much time you want to spend learning each day. Choose the option you prefer, then continue again. If you're completely new to the language, you can select the option to start from scratch. Duolingo will then load your first lesson and guide you through a few beginner exercises. Follow the prompts on the screen and continue through the lesson until it's complete. After that, your account is fully created. To view your profile, just hover over the Profile tab, and there you can view your progress. And that's how to create a Duolingo account step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.